So this is a bit of a different video to usual. We're not going to head out and take some pictures today. It's more of a maintenance day and we're going to clean the sensor in this camera. I've never done it before, so I'm kind of nervous. So fingers crossed we don't make it worse. The reason I'm doing this is, you won't have noticed it in the pictures, but in the last video where we went up onto Kappa, I was taking photos of Sharp Edge with all the clouds around it, and in the clouds you could notice all the dust spots, and it took quite a bit to clean them all up. I usually have like 2 or 3 spots that I normally have to clean up, but I don't normally take pictures with that much cloud in. If it's with trees or mountains or something, they sort of blend in and you don't really notice. So what I've done is I've taken a picture of the sky. It's quite a grey day today, so I stopped it down to f22, so it like highlighted all the bad points, and I had a quick look on the laptop then, and it's pretty much all over the sensor. So we'll do a before and after, and what we're going to use is these sensor cleaning swabs by VSGO. I did a bit of research and these had really good reviews. So they're just like little, they look a bit like Stanley knife blades on the end, but I think it's just like a microfiber cloth kind of thing that you just drag across the sensor. So what I've done a bit of prep work first, and I've taken the cap off this and used the dust blower to clean out anything that might be in there, just by holding it upside down and blasting it with this. So fingers crossed no crap falls out onto the sensor from in there. And then yeah, I'm just going to let the dust settle in case anything came out of there, and then we'll have a go at this. I'm not usually much of an instructions guy, but we'll see what this says. It's saying to use one of these blowers to clean out the inside of the camera first, then turn off the camera and put it into sensor cleaning mode. So clean manually. And it's saying to clean it with this again and blast off anything, and then use the swab. So I'm going to turn it upside down to blast it, and then we'll use the swab on it. Yeah, so it's just like a Stanley knife blade type shape on the end of a stick. It's like a little microfiber cloth. So I think you have to drag it across that way, then you tip it over and pull it that way, and then try not to drag any of the dirt that we got on the first pass. About 60 degrees. I don't know. 60 degrees. I think we're done. I'll quickly go and test it. I just pulled it into Lightroom now, so we'll press Q, T, visualize spots. That's better. Still quite a few here, and we'll do that. And up in this top corner, I accidentally put that one in. So there's still some there. So if we do it one more time and go more for that top corner, I think we should be okay. I think I'm going to blast out with this again, see if we can clear any big chunks, and then I assume you need to use a different swab. You got quite a few in the pack. I guess if you use the old one, you just wipe more dirt into it. So I'd rather be on the safe side. The other thing that I'm thinking at the moment is I rarely ever shoot at f/22, so I usually only stop down to about f/16 at the most. So when we do the next test shot, we'll do f/22 and f/16. Okay. So that was in the top right, which means it'd be up here. Don't know how hard you can press. I might give it another quick blast with this, in case that loosened anything. Then go and grab another test shot. So grab these test shots now. So this is the f/22 one. We'll do the same thing again. Q. And then visualize. And that's definitely better. It's got rid of all these ones up here. Then at f/16, they're even less visible. So I'm pretty happy with that. Considering we started with that, that's like looking at a night sky there. I don't know whether to give it one more pass and try and get rid of these ones, but I'm pretty happy with that now. That worked a lot easier than I expected it to be, and it's made a massive difference. I'm going to do a blog post, and I'll put the sample pictures in so you can see it better there. I'll do the picture on its own, then I'll do the visualized spots overlay over the top or next to it so you can see it better. It's just made a massive difference there. The spots that are still there are where the foreground is going to be in a lot of my photos now. So I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. I don't think it's worth poking around in there more than I need to, just to save a few tiny bits like that. But yeah, I'll link these down in the description, and I'll do a blog post. And hopefully you found that helpful. I was pretty nervous about doing this. I've been putting it off for ages because I just thought I might make it worse. But that was pretty simple. There was some way you got like a liquid that you could put onto this, but I didn't like the idea of that. I don't know why. Just sounds like more things to go wrong. But that was pretty simple. So yeah, hope you found that helpful. Next time we'll be out somewhere, not sure where yet, but I'll see you next time.